Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wix account detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.wix.com and press enter. Wait for the Wix homepage to load completely. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Now, enter your email address associated with your Wix account in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Wix dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your email address. Check your email for instructions on how to create a new password. Once you have logged in successfully, you can begin managing your Wix website. Ensure to log out when you are finished, especially if you are using a public computer. To log out, click on your account icon in the top right corner. Then, select Log Out from the drop-down menu. This completes your login process to your Wix account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.